Yeah, blacked out SE, Camry, and Toyota badging. January 2026 registration year. You got your diffuser on the bottom with your dual exhaust tips. Have different accents that you're going to love about this vehicle, as well as those. Check that out. Mud guards, so when you get your car washed, it's not flicking up any backsplash. You also have the door protector, privacy glass, LED turn signals. This here, 2023 Toyota Camry SE, listed at 77,986. Couple of things you want to maybe take a look at, but Kelly Blue Book's been trusted since 1926 and recommends this be retailed at $22,500 here at Tracy Honda, 3450 Auto Plaza Way, Tracy, California, 95304. We have a lot of vehicles that are pre-owned, even just like this one here. This one had the brand new windshield just installed, so we were waiting for that. That's done, taken care of, so we can make sure that even though it's a pre-owned vehicle, we both know it's a new vehicle to you or you and your family. So we want to make sure you get the best experience that you can. Whenever there's a lack of lighting, you just got to flick that switch right there. Once you turn that switch on, you'll be able to have the lighting inside your interior. The only way for you to open the trunk is to actually physically hit it right there. You have a multi-adjustable driver's seat here as well. Yeah, go ahead and show you the odometer here. Just a sec. Everything works in good condition, which is really, really nice. It's going to work out perfect for you. Like the backup camera as well, nice and clear. Have your guides right there as well. Right here, you have a multimedia port to plug in. And yeah, there's the look of your interior. There's no odors, no smells, no rips, no tears or punctures. So wanted to make sure that you have a nice, good look at it. Currently has 78,009 miles. Again, no odors, smells, rips, tears, or punctures. Last thing we want to do is take a look right here, make sure the trunk don't have any weird stains. You got your cargo tray right there, nice. You got your cover right here, the Camry cover. Lift that up, and you lift it right here where the hook's at. There you have a spare tire kit. Underneath your spare tire kit is your spare tire. All this here at Tracy Honda, 3450 Auto Plaza Way, Tracy, California, 95304. Open 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday through Saturday, Sunday and holidays. We're here from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Come on down, take a VIP test drive after your professional demonstration, and let us show you after all that riding and handling works best for you, even that sound system. I'm going to show you what these options are to take it home with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video, folks.